Everybody, it's Bunny, and it's everybody's favorite day of the week. The day of the week when we ask ourselves, does this thing really work? For today's Does This Thing Really Work, we are going to be taking a look at a brand new Kickstarter item. So for a long time, it's been a goal of mine to not only test out as seen on TV products, but some Kickstarter or like more invention-y kind of items as well. So that is what we're going to be taking a look at today. The item that we have, I think, is going to be very helpful and useful for my life personally. It is an item called AFTERSOCKS for her. That is oddly specific. I honestly, till this very moment, till I read this bag with my eyeballs, I thought that this product was called AFTERSOCKS. Why? What is AFTERSOCKS? Is that something? What am I getting this confused with? Anyway, AFTERSOCKS. Maybe I can show them to you after I'm done throwing them on the floor 500 times. This is what the product looks like all wrapped up. Let's open it up. I have yet to touch them, feel them. What this product is for is like if you're out and about at a club, at a party, whatever you do with your life, and you're wearing like really fashionable shoes, super high heels, stilettos, something that's very painful that you have on your feet, say midway through the party or when you're done with the event, like your feet are hurting, they're super tired. I get this weird thing, which let me know if at home you guys get this, but like if I've been wearing platforms for a really long time, I get a super painful burning sensation on the ball of my foot. That is what this product is supposed to be a solution for. So this is what they look like. On the top, it is literally like a sock material. It feels like a really nice, thick sock. It's a sparkly design. I think it comes in 3 colors, like bronze, silver, and gold. You know, like a very Olympic color scheme. And then on the bottom, we've got this, which also, oh my God, I could curl my hair with this. Maybe it would protect me from the heat. Probably not. Don't use this product like that. Anyway, on the bottom, you have this very thick, rubbery, plastic sort of foot barrier? Sole, not foot barrier. This product would have been extremely useful to me about 6 or so months ago. I literally had an experience just like this. I got the opportunity to do the Bling Boot tour with Dolls Kill, and I was breaking in these super gorgeous, sparkly combat boots. Like that's what the whole event was about. And Dogman and I had walked clear across Austin, like from one side of the city to the next on foot. Like we had probably walked for like 5 miles or something. By the time I got to the store we had walked to, my feet were on fire. There was absolutely no way that I could turn around and walk another 5 miles wearing these shoes. We were at one of my favorite local stores in Austin called Toy Joy, and they were selling little slippers, little twin stars, Sanrio slippers, and I ended up buying the slippers and walking all across Austin, Texas in a pair of little twin stars slippers. And needless to say, it did not work well. Like I kept stepping on like sharp stuff. My feet were soaking wet. It was just a mess, and it was very gross. So definitely I could have used a product like this. That is ultimately what we're gonna be testing out today. So I kind of thought, since we're testing out such a cool shoe product, I should get like the weirdest, most extreme pair of heels that I can find and like walk around in them, try and break the shoes in, and inevitably I will be in pain, and then I will need to test these out. It's almost like this video is transforming from a does this thing really work to a shoe unboxing right now, but I have got to show you guys these insane shoes that we're gonna be testing with these. I have had these on my wish list for a really long time. If you guys remember, I used to do a series called World's Weirdest, where I would group a bunch of weird things thematically. Like I would do like weirdest bathroom items, weirdest back to school supplies, like all kinds of stuff like that. So a long time ago, I found 10, I think, of the world's weirdest shoes. I never bought them. I never ended up doing that video, but these shoes have always been imprinted in my mind ever since I comprised that list. So it's from a brand called Squared. I feel like they are a designer brand, but for some reason I feel like they're kind of like often overlooked. And I don't know why, because they do make like really awesome, oftentimes like out there designs. Like last year they made a pair of shoes that was a combination of cowboy boots and flip-flops. Who's thinking of that? I bought them on eBay and the shoe model is called Skate Moss. It was a runway piece from 2011, which sounds like a long time ago and also not a long time ago. Here they are. They look like ice skates. And now that I'm looking at them, I'm like, am I going to fall? Am I going to break a kneecap? Do I need knee pads and a helmet? They look like freaking ice skates. You guys, look at these. What are those? Oh my God. So that's all that's in the box. Oh, I lied. There's like a little tag. What? I've never seen this with a pair of shoes before in my life. A warning label like this. So it says this shoe lays on a particular structure. That is a very vague description of a shoe. It is advisable to pay extreme attention when wearing it. This shoe must not be used to drive or to ice skate. Please pay particular attention when walking on uneven floor. They are literally like, is this like illegal? Like, we're okay, we've warned you, wear at your own risk. They should have said wear at your own risk. So yeah, they definitely look pretty unstable. So yeah, I don't know. Am I gonna be able to wear these all day? Am I gonna do a shoe change? I don't know, but I will definitely be wearing some kind of crazy shoe all day. And then at the end of the day, we will test these babies out. We're here live from Access Gate 3. I've been wearing these for hours and they feel great. So these are actually like training wheel shoes. In my opinion, I've been prepping and studying all day to put on those death skates, death shoes. Happy Death Day. Are we ready for these? Outfit of the day. I have a large hat. I found this on Etsy. It's vintage. I don't know what it's made out of. I tried to go for a soft, natural makeup look. Is that what this looks like? My hair, it's actually a rat's nest. I do have a bit of tanglage. I did wash it though, God bless, but I have some tanglage, so I've got a quick strategy for that, which is clip-in extensions and just curl over the tangles. There are mats and probably rats in here, so just don't look too close. This dress is vintage Betsy Johnson. It is kind of short though, so I'm wondering if this is a shirt. Am I supposed to have pants under this? Maybe. I do have on shorts, so no flashers for the ashers. This belt, it has a little dingle dangle on it. I feel like it's missing a pocket watch. Streets Ahead. It's a vintage 80s brand and I think it was popular. These tights are from Amazon, as is everything these days, and these shoes are Marc Jacobs from a couple years ago and I love them. These are still my favorite pair of shoes. They're great. And I can kind of jump in them. Oh yes, and my cane is antique from Uncommon Objects. I feel like this is like, you know how kids have blankets and it's like an emotional, I feel like this is gonna be my emotional cane. This was supposed to be a shoe unboxing. Actually, no, this was supposed to be a does this thing really work? Oh. Let's try the code. Why is this gate 666? You guys, this was locked. I'm not. I'm dead. I'm dead inside. Why did that work? Who literally programmed this gate as 666? Oh my God. This is my bag. It makes me think of something I could throw at a car in Mario Kart if I wanted to be place number one. Just, I'm gonna put these shoes on now. Say a prayer. What do you think about these? Camera woman.
They look deadly.
Oh my God, I thought you said they looked ugly.
You could cut your fruit with it.
I wonder if it's really gonna look like I'm skating though. Is that not a good thing to show on camera? Just my creepy toe. Hey everybody, look at my toe, look at that. How do they look? Wait, what did you say I look like? A Canadian ice skating witch? Amazing. That is just what I was going for. How did you know? I'm thinking about standing up. This feels unsteady. Just a little jump. a little jump. Okay. Dude, I feel like once again I'm like, okay. They feel a little large in the footle region. Dude, with every step, my knee is like... How do they look though? Do they look cool? This little pebble, see this? That was almost my downfall. Right there. I mean, if you step on any surface that isn't completely flat. But what if I do some skating? Shh. Do I look like I'm skating?
A cold moonwalk.
Look, just imagine I'm kicking ice on you right now. Maybe if we add some sound effects, is that gonna help? Sound effects, hi down there. Are you having a good day? My hair is in the dirt. I didn't think about this. I feel safer on the ground. Look, I found this sweater. It's been so long. I'm excited. This is like my 4th pair of heels to walk in today. Just getting them all in. I'm ready for arts and crafts. Are you ready for arts and crafts? It smells like plastic. It smells scents. You smell? It's you. This isn't going as planned. Why did that really startle me? Every time. It's Walmart. It's late. It's not that late. It's 10 o'clock. That's late to me now because I'm on a normal person sleeping schedule at the moment. So I wake up early. This is weird. Anyway, you guys, it's been a very exciting day. I've actually had like 3 outfit changes today, 4 shoe changes. I've been wearing nothing but extreme, crazy platform heels, shoe unboxings. We've done it all. And look at this. Look, my foot is actually marred. They are in pain. Can you see that? No, this is the Walmart parking lot. It hurts. Just believe me when I say it hurts. I've actually begun forming a blister. The way I just said it, it sounds like I'm an oyster and I'm forming a pearl, but this is a much less pleasurable experience. So luckily, I've got the AFTERSOCKS for my Walmart adventure. I feel like this is gonna give us, look at, that's funny. Look at it flop. But we've got terrain. There's probably glass. That looks like somebody spit up lunch. That's disgusting. Bird poop. Like, I'm seeing lots of stuff, so we're gonna step on it all. I'm just gonna jump into it. That's the only way to enter life. That felt great. Ooh, wait, listen to the little padding. I sound like a little demon. Here we go. This feels oddly liberating. Like, I feel like I'm doing something that I shouldn't be doing. I haven't felt this feeling since I was like wearing footy pajamas. Oh, I stepped on a rock and it didn't hurt. I wish I could find like glass or nails to step in. Oh, I can splash in the park. They're not wet. Oh God. Did I kick water on you? I want to make one of these. Oh my God, look, we can get a basket toss in here too. And it's like I've done 4 types of video in one day. Basket toss. Basket toss. Wait, you help. Wait, is this gonna be you in 20 years? 40 years? How many years?
Never.
If you had a beard this long, that would be so much fun to braid. Ew, this is like my hair. This is what my hair does every day. Is this too much hair to be losing? Let me know down below. Do I have a vitamin deficiency? I've always wanted to do these, but I feel like it's unreliable and frightening. Have you bonded with the rat skeleton? I actually like that one and it's large. So that's funny to me. I'm just gonna be prancing around in my socks. No, do you know what? I thought of a thought when I got here. Well, actually, I didn't think of it. It's like in their actual Kickstarter, but they take Legos and they step on them with these, and then they act like they feel nothing. So I think we should buy some Legos, take them home, dump them on the floor, and step on them. To the Legos. Oh my gosh, I just want this. I can't step on that. I feel guilty. Kind of dirty, a little bit dirty. Yeah. So this is from all walking around Walmart, the parking lot, and I was kind of curious how much they would either like grip or slip off of my feet because I was trying to test them if I would have had these in Austin, you know, when I said we were walking like 5 miles. I don't think we walked 5 miles through Walmart, but I just wanted to see like how far you could walk in them, like if you'd have to constantly like adjust them or pull them up or anything like that. So that is only like how much they slipped, which in my opinion is not much. So definitely if you were walking outside, inside, over various terrain, I think that these things have you covered. The only thing I will say is if you don't pull them up and like obviously if you just step on the sock part in like a puddle of water or something, that's the only time that I felt anything get through and actually touch my foot. But literally if I just would have like adjusted it and pulled it, if you step in water in any of this part that's actually like the coated bottom barrier, you are totally fine. So the last thing that we're gonna test is Legos, because it's not like glass or anything else. Because I think that that's what they're saying is like, maybe if you are in like a busy area, like in Austin on 6th Street, or like what's another party street, like Bourbon Street or something in New Orleans. I don't know, maybe you're out partying somewhere where there would be like broken glass or other dangerous things potentially in the streets. I think that maybe that's why they are using the example of Legos like in their Kickstarter video. So that is the last thing we're gonna test. We're gonna sprinkle some Legos on the ground and we're gonna step on them. Ready? Yep. Step on some Legos. Oh my God, they're crunching. Wow, I actually feel like nothing. It's not sharp at all.
Huh.
That's so shocking. Look, you need these for your house. You're a Lego aficionado. Yeah, I mean, these are sharp ones, right? Mm-hmm. Because that's crazy. I literally don't even feel them. I mean, I feel them, like, but I mean, I know what stepping on a Lego feels like. And this isn't sharp at all. Wait, okay, now I'm gonna just step on it with my foot. Oh my God, yeah, that's painful. Yeah, okay, there's, ow! Yeah, that one's a jabby one right there. That's a stabby jabby right there. This little clear rooftop. So there is obviously a huge difference between stepping on sharp things with these things or without these things. They are only on Kickstarter for, I think, a couple more days, literally. I think they've got around 4,000 backers. So it definitely seems like a project that a lot of people are into. And it's 3 pair. You can pre-order them now. 3 pair for, what did I say? 3 pair for $20. They actually are supposed to ship out October 2019. So literally immediately. Or for $66, you can get 10 pairs. I think I like flinched when I said it earlier where it was like AFTERSOCKS for girls, because I could definitely see men getting a lot of use out of this as well. Right now, there's only 3 sizes and they range from US 4 to 13. So it's like small, medium, large. So that's European 36 to 44. So I definitely give this product 2 thumbs up. The only thing I would say is like maybe they could come out with more sizes. Like, do you know a man in your life that would wear these? I think they're helpful for everybody. Like, they are washable, they fit in your purse. They even showed people like fitting them in their back pocket and stuff. So this is definitely something that I would probably just keep in my car, because most of the time that's like where I wish that I had like a different pair of shoes or something to change into if I've been like wearing something like this all day, which by the way, these are the most dangerous shoes that I own. They were so hard to walk in. I feel like that's the first pair of shoes that I've ever legitimately been scared to walk in. AFTERSOCKS, definitely check them out. I have a link for you guys down below. If you click on that, that is an affiliate link, so I will get just a little bit of commission if you do decide to purchase. So thank you so much to AFTERSOCKS. I keep wanting to call them AFTERSHOCKS, but it was a lot of fun to test this product out, and I feel like it is something that is genuinely useful and good. So thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all again very soon. Vlogoween is about to begin. I'm so excited. Bye.